creating an outfit for date night. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Today I'm going to be creating an outfit for date night. A couple of people have asked me for this on Instagram, on YouTube, so I thought I'd give my take on a summer inspired outfit for taking that lovely person in your life on a date. As it is summer here in the UK, I'm going to be starting this outfit with some white linen and cotton mixed chinos from a brand called Massimo Dutti. White is a perfect colour, it's very versatile, and of course it just looks really, really nice in the summertime. And I'm going to be keeping the vest on for this look, and you'll see why later. Chinos give that perfect middle ground between a smart pair of trousers and a pair of jeans, so you can utilize them to wear relatively smart yet casual outfits that you can dress up or you can dress down. That is why I decided to go for chinos today. So they're always a great option if you're not kind of sure how smart or casual to go. I'm going to be going with a pair of black loafers today. These are from a brand called Herring Shoes. They make absolutely beautiful pairs of loafers and shoes and boots. They do some really, really nice shoes. Very moderately priced and very well made. And again, loafers are a great middle ground when you don't want to be wearing shoes that are too smart, but you also don't want to be walking around in a pair of trainers. So the loafers paired with the chinos are just going to give me that nice kind of smart edge, but still maintaining a relatively casual aspect to this look. And then the really fun part about this outfit is you can pretty much take it in any direction when it comes to a dress shirt. I'm going to start off with this striped shirt from Father Sons. So if I wanted to, and dependent on where you are in the world, what the temperature's like, you could completely leave the shirt open, not a problem. And then I'm going to be putting on a belt as well. The belt always should match, or as much as you can, match the colour of your shoes just to tie the outfit in nicely. And of course, because I'm wearing white bottoms and a white top, the belt really does help to add some contrast and break the outfit up a little bit. I've left a couple of buttons undone just to give it that slightly more casual look. So depending on where you're going, whether you're on holiday, you want to go to a nice restaurant, this shirt could be buttoned all the way up to maintain a slightly smarter edge, or it could be completely unbuttoned as mentioned before. So here we go, my take on a really simple, nice, smart yet casual outfit for date night. And as I said before, you can really play around with this, and you can wear so many different shirts. You could go for a nice pop of colour like a deep red that I'm wearing right now, add a little bit of vibrance to the look, add a pop of colour. This is a really nice material, not as restricted as the other. Again, it looks lovely, it looks quite casual, open, it's comfortable, it's going to be great in warmer weather. Or you could go for a nice earthy neutral tone like olive green. This is going to still bring an element of colour to your look without it being too overpowering like the deep red. Now as well, bear in mind, if you're going to change the colour of your shirt, there may be better belt and shoe combinations to go along with that. As you can see here, I've gone for a brown belt and brown shoes as opposed to the black which I was wearing on the previous look. And then again, if you really want to, you can add some accessories. I wear contact lenses, but I do also have certain pairs of glasses that are non-prescription, which I will mix and match with certain outfits if I feel like it will bring a little bit more of an element of style to them. But of course, it gives me the ability to take them off and still be able to see, because I am nearly blind without my contact lenses or my glasses. So there you have it, guys, a nice little outfit inspiration for date night during the summer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a comment down below, hit like, toggle that notification bell, and of course, subscribe to my channel for future content just like this. I do really enjoy making these style videos, so let me know if there's any occasions you have coming up and you want me to create an outfit for it. Thank you very much for watching. If you did make it this far, hopefully I will see you on my next video.